Everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Tinkercad in 2026. Whether you're completely new to 3D design or looking for an easy way to create models for 3D printing, Tinkercad is one of the best beginner-friendly tools available. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start using Tinkercad. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the Tinkercad website. Sign in to your existing account or create a new one if you haven't registered yet. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where all of your designs are stored. To begin a new project, click the Create New Design button. Tinkercad will open its 3D workspace, also known as the workplane. This is where you'll build and edit your models. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the Shapes panel. Simply drag any basic shape, such as a box, cylinder, or sphere, onto the workplane. Click on the object to select it. Small white handles allow you to resize the object, while the black arrows let you adjust its height. You can also rotate the object using the curved rotation handles. To move an object, click and drag it anywhere on the workplane. You can zoom in and out using your mouse wheel and rotate the camera by holding the right mouse button. These controls make it easier to view your design from different angles. As your project grows, you can add more shapes, align objects, group them together, and create more complex models. If you make a mistake, simply use the Undo button to reverse your last action. When your design is complete, click the Export button to save your project as an STL, OBJ, or another supported file format, making it ready for 3D printing or use in other software. And that's how to use Tinkercad in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Tinkercad tutorials and 3D design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.